For the past 3,000 years, the shoreline of Isle Royale and the Keweenaw Peninsula has remained mostly the same. 12,000 to 3,000 years ago, the shoreline changed several times and looked very different. Prior to 12,000 years ago, this region was buried beneath a 2-mile thick continental glacier. In response to this great weight of ice melting, the Lake Superior region is currently rising at approximately the rate of 1 foot per century. Imagine a foam pillow after you've taken your head off of it, slowly reshaping to its original form. It's not just that Isle Royale is rising, the entire region surrounding Isle Royale, island and lake floor, is rising. The scientific term for this rising is isostatic rebound, and you can observe its effect along park trails. Southwest of Grace Creek Overlook, the Feldtmann Lake Trail changes character from a dirt-packed, root-snarled path into a path dominated by rounded cobbles. These cobbles signify a relic shoreline. Waves crashing against the previous shoreline gradually smoothed the rocks into these rounded cobbles and created relatively flat sections of terrain, benches, often utilized by island trails, including Feldtmann Lake Trail. This particular bench is from about 5,000 years ago from the waters of ancient Lake Nipissing. For comparison to a modern beach near the Feldtmann Lake Campground, if you take the spur trail to Rainbow Cove, you can experience an active Isle Royale beach with similar features to the Feldtmann Lake Trail relic shoreline. Today, Lake Superior is near its high water level for recorded human history. Docks, cabins, and roads are at risk from shoreline storm erosion. And yet, when we examine the geology of Lake Superior shorelines, we know water levels are not static. In another 3,000 years, how might you imagine the future of the Lake Superior shoreline?